All right, we have a doctor's office where 11 out of 15 patients who come in are diagnosed with the flu. Based on this information, if 75 people went to the doctor, how many patients would not be diagnosed with the flu? So, what they're wanting you to think here is that your first fraction will be 11 out of 15. Okay, that's the trick. They threw in the word not. This tells us how many people do have the flu, but we want how many people do not have the flu. So this is not our fraction. Let's think about it. If we have 15 people and 11 of them do have the flu, how many do not have the flu? We can subtract, and that would be 4. So what we're looking at is 4 out of the 15 people do not have the flu. Now, we're making a prediction, so we're going to set up our proportion, and we want to know how many out of 75 would not have the flu. So let's go ahead and cross multiply corner to corner. So we're going to have 4 times 75, which gets us 300. And then we divide by the leftover number, which is 15. 300 divided by 15 will get us 20. So we can assume or predict that 20 out of the 75 patients will not have the flu.